Have you ever found yourself wondering, is my size within the normal range? This thought, despite being common, is still shrouded in much taboo and misinformation. Today, we're going to talk frankly about penile size, what's considered typical, what variations are possible, and what truly matters when it comes to self-esteem and intimate health. This isn't about obsession, but rather about information. I'm Samira Poe, an intimate health specialist, and I practice in Belo Horizonte, focusing on male and female well-being. This topic deserves an honest and technical perspective, so let's get straight to the point. First, the basics. Many men come to my office convinced that they have some issue with the size of their own genitals. And the truth? More than 92% of these men are within the statistical norm. But where does all this insecurity come from? Much of this angst stems from comparison. Social media, movies, retouched images, all of this distorts our perception of reality. In a large study involving over 14,000 volunteers from diverse backgrounds, it was observed that the average size of an erect penis is around 12.8 cm, with variations between 9.5 cm and 15.4 cm. In terms of girth, the average falls between 10 and 12 cm. This is statistics, not conjecture. And you know what's most curious? In another survey, nearly 6 out of 10 men said they worry about size, while only 1 in 20 women declared it relevant in a partner. Before we continue, I'd like to sincerely invite you to subscribe to the channel. If this content is enlightening you and making you reflect, join us. And take the opportunity to comment below, without any hesitation. What did you think about this subject before this video? Have you ever compared yourself? This really helps to understand the collective impact of this doubt. Even with this data, there are those who wish to improve penile aesthetics. And this is not a problem, as long as it is done judiciously. Today, there is much talk about fillers and augmentation with substances like hyaluronic acid, a biocompatible material used to safely increase thickness, provided it is applied by professionals who truly understand penile anatomy, such as specialists in intimate reconstruction. An increase of 1.5 to 3 cm in circumference can be achieved, with effects lasting between 12 and 18 months. But be warned, avoid methods using industrial silicone or other non-absorbable materials. These are dangerous and can cause serious and irreversible damage. Real penile lengthening, on the other hand, is rarer, involving techniques such as suspensory ligament release or pubic liposuction, which exposes more of the penile body. But these methods have limitations and risks. Few people know that in ancient Rome, a smaller penis was a symbol of self-control, wisdom, and emotional balance. Classical statues depicted men with discrete genitalia as a sign of nobility of spirit. Exaggeration, on the other hand, was associated with impulsivity and a lack of rationality. Priapus, a mythological character, is a good example. The son of Aphrodite, he was born with enormous genitalia and was rejected by the gods themselves for being considered grotesque. This demonstrates that the view on size has changed a great deal over time. What is a symbol of virility today was once a cause for shame. And perhaps deep down, the issue has never been about inches, but about how we see ourselves and how we want to be seen. If this video has helped you reflect on all of this, then it warrants a special invitation. Subscribe to the channel, but do so as one who joins a sincere conversation, without judgment, with someone who is also seeking a better understanding of their own body and their own story. Share in the comments what you thought of this chat. Have you ever experienced an embarrassing situation because of this? How can this content help other men who, like you, feel doubtful or insecure? Let's make this community a space for exchange, support, and truth. A big hug, and until the next video,